Research paper writing tips. Select a clear and focused topic. Choose a topic that is specific and interesting to you, and ensure it has enough available research material to support your paper. Conduct thorough research. Utilize a variety of credible sources, such as academic journals, books, and reputable websites, to gather relevant information and evidence for your paper. Develop a strong thesis statement. Craft a concise and arguable thesis statement that summarizes the main argument or purpose of your research paper. Ensure it is supported by the evidence you gathered during your research. Organize your thoughts and create an outline. Create a clear and logical structure for your paper by outlining the main sections and subtopics. This will help you maintain a coherent flow of ideas and ensure you include all the necessary components. Write a compelling introduction. Begin your paper with an engaging introduction that grabs the reader's attention and provides context for your research. Clearly state your thesis and outline the main points you will discuss. Present and analyze your research findings. Present your research findings in a logical manner, supporting them with evidence and analysis. Ensure you critically evaluate and interpret the information to demonstrate your understanding of the topic. Use proper citation and referencing. Follow the appropriate citation style, for example, APA, MLA, to give credit to the original sources and avoid plagiarism. Keep track of your sources from the beginning to save time later. Write concisely and clearly. Use clear and concise language to convey your ideas effectively. Avoid unnecessary jargon or complex sentence structures that may confuse the reader. Revise and edit your paper. Review your paper for clarity, coherence, and grammar errors. Ensure your arguments are well supported, transitions between paragraphs are smooth, and your writing flows logically. Seek feedback and proofread. Ask a peer, professor, or professional editor to review your paper and provide constructive feedback. Proofread your final draft carefully to eliminate any spelling or punctuation mistakes. Remember, these are general tips, and it's essential to follow any specific guidelines provided by your instructor or academic institution.